From working for them to working for you. Step-by-step guide to becoming a financially independent contractor or entrepreneur. Becoming your own boss. Meet MarieDee. She has been a hairstylist in the beauty industry for almost 2 decades. She has worked with some of the best bosses and some of the worst. She sincerely believes that in this industry, we don't always get the acknowledgments we deserve all the time, but that's fine. She's been ridiculed many times about her career choice, some even claiming that what she does isn't a real job. Working in the service industry is 100% of hard work and manual labor, and we deserve to enjoy 100% of the benefits that come from it. She's worked as a commissioned stylist and then went on to working for herself, which was one of the best decisions she ever made. She just never understood how you could work, standing on your feet and using your mind, body, and spirit to deliver a service and then have a large percentage taken out of it because the company you work for says so. Keep in mind, this is not including taxes, and also not including the lack of benefits that you should be getting from that type of establishment. The best way to really be successful in the beauty industry is working for yourself. Her goal is to educate you on how to go from a commissioned stylist to independent contractor, maximizing your financial gains. You deserve to keep your money because of the hard work you've invested. She knows there are many fears relating to paying taxes, maintaining your books, product management, and leveraging overhead costs. But with preparation, you will be able to manage that successfully. Yes, you will have to pay your dues to Uncle Sam, but at least it will be all for you and not for someone else. If you are looking for financial freedom and creative independence, then tune in to her step-by-step formula of becoming a successful independent contractor or entrepreneur. The 3-year plan. In 2020, develop your brand. In 2021, business setup. In 2022, network and launch. Your rights as a 1099 independent contractor. You are a contractor, not an employee. A company cannot exercise too much control over independent contractors. Independent contractors operate independently, free of control from the business owner. Independent contractors have the right to determine when and where they work. They can refuse certain jobs. An IC determines how her work is completed and does not have to comply with company-specific training. An IC is paid on a project-by-project basis, not on a salaried or hourly basis. An IC does not have to sign non-compete agreements, non-disclosure or confidentiality agreements. ICs are freelancers working for themselves and often for many different businesses. There's no expectation of a continuing relationship with an employer. Independent contractors are not employees and therefore cannot be fired or controlled through the threat of dismissal, but they can be dismissed from a job site if they break the terms of their work agreement. Independent contractors almost never belong in the salon. ICs do not answer to a salon owner except to ensure the contract terms have been fulfilled. Salon owners cannot prevent these stylists from collecting their clients' contact information on the side so that they can one day take that business with them. Salon owners cannot dictate IC stylists' price points, how they perform services, or how they market themselves. IC stylists cannot be forced to accept coupons or special offers that you create if they didn't want to participate. And do not require your 1099 stylist to do any chores, clean up, work the front desk, attend staff meetings, provide coaching or training, or do any work in the salon other than servicing the clients. They are hired to perform hair services and cannot be asked to work beyond that role. 1. Develop your brand. What is your mission statement or company slogan? Every major company has one, and you should too, because you're worth it. L'Oreal. Create a company email. This should match your company name and logo just like it should match all your social media handles. People should see your logo and know exactly who that is. Find a graphic designer and create a company logo. This will represent who you are and what your brand stands for. Make it timeless and universal. Get yourself some business cards with your brand logo, email, phone numbers, and social media handles. Yes, business cards are still a thing. Establish social media platforms: Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google, Yelp. When customers type your name, you should be easily located throughout many platforms. This is your brand. You will need a website. This is where you will showcase your work, introduce yourself to your current and potential clients, links to social media platforms, email listings, and blogs. 2. Business setup. You will need a booking site. You're used to having your appointments booked for you, but now you get to do this on your own. There are many sites that you can use, and prices vary. But this Square Up is my favorite, hands down. It's very easy to navigate, allows you to set your hours, price lists, cancellation policies, etc. Set up your LLC. This is how you register your brand as a legitimate business to your state. Some people might choose to register their business as a sole proprietor, but you as an entrepreneur won't qualify for legal and tax advantages that an LLC has. Obtain your EIN number. This is your employer identification number. It is like a social security number for your business. Doing this will allow you to keep your personal assets and business assets separate. LegalZoom is a company that you can use to get all that done for you. Set up a business account with your local bank. Remember, this will keep your personal money and your business assets separate, which will come in handy when you file your taxes. Set up your payment system such as Square Pay or Apple Pay. The money received from your clients will go directly into your business account. 3. Finances. Align yourself with an accountant that will help you organize and file your business income properly. Set up your quarterly tax payment. With your accountant's help, you will be able to determine how much you made for the year and the amount you should expect to pay in taxes. EFTPS.gov is the website you will use. You can set an alarm on your phone to remind you to make your quarterly payments. If done correctly, you will not be owing the IRS at the end of the year. Set up a 401k, term insurance, and emergency fund for your future. They don't teach you this in beauty school, but it is the best thing you can do for yourself. I made a lot of money in my career, but I didn't have security. What if I broke my arm? What if I fell gravely ill? What about my daughter? Setting this up will give you a level of financial confidence that no one will be able to provide for you. The sooner you start, the better. If you start in your 20s, you will be able to retire in 30 years. Save all your receipts. This will help you when creating your business profit and loss statement. 4. Customer connection. Start an email list of all your clients. This will allow you to smoothly alert them about your transition, your locations, website updates, and special promotions. Engage your clients on social media. You want to post daily, but also engage their interest. Create a post that will require to post 3 friends in order to win a prize. This will help with new followers and current clients wanting to keep updated with everything that you are doing. During the slower seasons, create bundle packages that will help support clients on a budget without putting a strain on your business. Free trims, deep treatment, or percentage off when purchasing, etc. Get out and start handing out your business cards. This is your little bite-sized resume, and it shows you are about your business. Most local businesses allow you to leave your cards behind, which is a great marketing opportunity. And 5, get ready. Booth rental or suite? I've done both. Suites are private for you and your client. Booth rentals are not. Booth rentals are usually working in an open space with other workers in earshot of you. Suites allow you to have the utmost privacy because you have a door and you can decorate your space how you please. You will be responsible for all your hair products and tools. Therefore, you need to budget what that will cost you a month. Most locations provide towels as part of your rental fees, but some do not. Be prepared to have to get towels and maintain them. You will also be responsible for marketing, which means Facebook and Instagram ads or hiring a search platform like Yelp to do it for you. Again, all of that is to be considered when you are doing your monthly to yearly projections. You will not have an assistant, so you need to book your clients in a way that no one is waiting for long and you're not backed up. I recommend saving at least 6 months worth of income before stepping out on your own. I would recommend saving $150 per week. Let's recap. Brand, email, and phone number. Create a logo, create business cards. Set up your social media handles and your website. Establish an LLC and get your EIN number. Start a business account at your bank. Create inventory. Choose a payment system and an online booking system. Develop a relationship with an accountant. Set up a retirement account and focus on marketing and your transition.